Good evening, everyone. I am Captain Karnail Singh, Additional Secretary Revenue, Government of Punjab. I am here with you on the 74th day to share information with you on the COVID from Punjab government side. As of today, at the world level, total confirmed cases stand at 65,90,000, out of which 31,83,000 has recovered. The total lives lost at the world level is 3,88,000. As compared to it, in India, the confirmed cases stand at 2,17,000, out of which 1,04,000 has recovered and more than 6,000 people have died so far. In Punjab, the positive cases number is 2,415, out of which 2,043 has recovered. The today's figure is 39 more than the previous day, that is yesterday. The total deaths in Punjab so far are 47. There is no death today, and the active cases is 325. The recovery rate is at 85%. Only 2 patients are on the ventilator support. Apart from this, I am to share the information with you what the Revenue Department is doing during these days. When this COVID-19 was declared as a pandemic worldwide by the WHO, even before that, the Revenue Department had distributed 25 crore rupees to various departments to prepare themselves to fight with this pandemic. The first meeting of the State Executive Committee was held on 19th of March, chaired by our Chief Secretary, where FCR is a member and Finance Secretary is a member. All the demands or the issues raised by various departments and the various Deputy Commissioners across Punjab are discussed in this meeting, and the solution as far as the release of money is concerned is taken every day immediately. So far, more than 300 crore of rupees has been distributed, out of which 200 crore of rupees has been distributed to various departments for the infrastructure and for providing services to the affected persons. And more than 100 crore rupees has been distributed to the various deputy commissioners for providing dry ration, developing quarantine centers, and sending the migrant laborers to their respective parent states by arranging the railway fares and bus transport services and giving them the ration for en route. The disaster management wing of the rural development has developed a control room and the civil secretariat, which is working 24 hours and attending to the public complaints, where more than 11,000 complaints has so far been addressed by the staff there and then. The main purpose of the control room is to bring the link between the general public and the administrations. The Revenue Department has been working with complete cohesion with the local government department, with the health department, and with the police department in addressing to the grievances of the public and mitigating their distress and their problems and solving their problems. Right from the Patwari, Kanugo, Tahsildar and Naib Tahsildar, they are working 24 hours addressing to the demands of the public and their needs. Not only who are healthy and well enough in their houses, but to the sick also, and to those also who have lost their lives performing their last rites. So our department has a clear direction to cooperate with other departments and to release the money as and when required, wherever it is required. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.